Dash cams are compact cameras mounted on a vehicle's dashboard or windshield, designed to record driving footage. They provide crucial evidence during accidents, enhance security, and sometimes lower insurance costs. Modern models offer features like night vision, GPS tracking, and parking mode. There are many different types of dash cams, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best dash cams that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Let's get started. Top 5 Best Dash Cams Review. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Vantrue E365.2K 360 degrees Panoramic Dash Cam. Experience ultimate protection and innovation with the Vantrue E365.2K 360 degrees Panoramic Dash Cam. Featuring the E360 uses a powerful quad-core CPU, dual 210 degrees lenses, and advanced dynamic stitching technology to capture flawless 360 degrees footage with no blind spots. Along with standard 1440p plus 1440p. Enjoy creative recording modes like fisheye plus fisheye and dual fisheye. Equipped with it delivers outstanding image clarity day and night, even in total darkness, ensuring every critical moment is perfectly captured. Thanks to you get ultra-fast video downloads, location tracking, live speed data, and driving reports right at your fingertips through the Vantrue app. That keeps your vehicle protected around the clock, recording suspicious activities with 10-second pre-event footage. Enjoy effortless operation with a responsive 1.54-inch IPS touchscreen, allowing safe, distraction-free use. Designed for ease, the E360 installs securely with a magnetic mount and adhesive base. For added security, optional enables real-time remote access and instant alerts. Stay connected, protected, and in control with Vantrue E360. Number 4. Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. Capture every journey in stunning clarity with the Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. Featuring it combines the power of Sony's IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, delivering smooth 4K 2160p front and 2K 1440p rear recordings. Whether day or night, license plates and critical details are captured with cinematic precision. With the A229 Pro masterfully balances highlights and shadows, enhancing visibility and restoring 4K level details even at high speeds and in low light. Protect your vehicle around the clock with featuring buffered recording that captures 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after any detected motion. Enjoy with 12 intuitive voice commands and clear voice alerts, ensuring safer, distraction-free driving. Effortlessly manage settings, preview footage, and share videos using. Thanks to your trips are logged with unparalleled accuracy using 4 global satellite systems. With the A229 Pro ensures important moments are safely stored, offering ultimate peace of mind every time you drive. Number 3. Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360 degrees all sides dash cam. The Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360 degrees dash cam offers unmatched all-around protection with its unique 4-lens setup. Its rear cabin camera captures the full view of your trunk, back seat, and side windows. Perfect for keeping an eye on kids, pets, or valuable luggage. Combined with the front and cabin cameras, the N5 provides complete monitoring against collisions, hit-and-runs, and break-ins from any side. Powered by Starvis 2 and IR night vision, it records crystal-clear footage even in complete darkness or harsh lighting, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers and families. With 5G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and OTA firmware updates through the Vantrue app, you can quickly adjust settings, view your route, and download vital incident reports with ease. The 24/7 buffered parking mode captures movement or impacts while your vehicle is parked, ensuring you have crucial evidence when needed. Smart voice control in multiple languages and a magnetic mount make operation and removal effortless. Built with a supercapacitor for extreme temperature resistance, loop recording, and an emergency G-sensor lock, the Vantrue N5 is a truly reliable road companion. Supporting up to 512 gigabytes and backed by an 18-month warranty, it's ready for any journey. Number 2. Wolfbox X5 New 3-Channel 4K HDR Dashcam. Experience next-level vehicle security with the Wolfbox X5 Starvis 2 4K 3-Channel Dashcam. Powered by the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor, this dashcam delivers outstanding image quality and vibrant color reproduction. The system features a 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a 1080p interior camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage inside and outside your vehicle. The upgraded 2.5K rear camera captures intricate details crucial for safe driving, while the enhanced night vision technology guarantees crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. The Wolfbox X5 also incorporates advanced digital signal transmission technology for faster, interference-free data and sharper images. Smart features like 12 voice control commands and an intuitive touchscreen let you operate the dash cam without distraction. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, video downloads to your phone are faster and more stable via the free Wolfbox app. Built-in GPS records your route, speed, and location, offering essential data in case of incidents. Included is a 128 GB high-capacity card, with support for up to 512 GB, ensuring you never miss a moment. Plus, with dependable 24-hour parking monitoring, including time-lapse and collision detection, the Wolfbox X5 protects your vehicle day and night. Number 1. V33-2K 3-Channel Dashcam Built-in Wi-Fi GPS. The V33-2K 3-Channel Dashcam is a high-performance car dashboard camera designed to capture every detail on the road. Equipped with 3 cameras, front, rear, and cabin, this dashcam offers 1440p resolution on all 3 channels, ensuring crystal-clear footage from all angles. The 2.7-inch LCD screen allows for easy navigation through settings and footage playback, while the 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures maximum coverage of the road and surrounding areas. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, the V33-2K enables seamless syncing of footage to your smartphone for quick access and sharing. The GPS feature records precise location, speed, and time data, adding an extra layer of detail to your recordings. The G-sensor provides collision detection, automatically saving footage in the event of an impact. Night vision ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions, and the parking monitor feature offers added protection by recording while your vehicle is parked. This advanced dash cam is perfect for drivers who want comprehensive coverage, whether for daily commutes or long road trips. With its sleek design and robust features, the V33-2K ensures that you capture everything that matters, giving you peace of mind on the road. Thanks for watching this video.